Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing what's fragile. Why this matters is simple: prevent more loss during work. First, document every break and take photos from multiple angles, then number detached pieces to keep orientation. Once done, clean only where safe, using distilled water and a pH-neutral agent on a cotton swab to reveal original surfaces. This improves adhesion and assessment. Make sure to test solvents on an inconspicuous spot. Small tests save large mistakes later. You'll reassemble in stages. Dry fit parts to confirm alignment, then plan a join order from core to periphery so stress distributes evenly. Next, apply adhesive sparingly. Use epoxy for load-bearing seams and a reversible conservation adhesive for delicate surfaces. This preserves future retreatment options. Once set, fill voids with an inert, compatible filler, building up in layers and sanding between passes. Make sure to color match with reversible pigments. Accurate tones hide repairs. You finish by integrating repairs visually but reversibly. Retouch losses using conservation-grade reversible paints and apply a micro-varnish to match sheen. This protects surface and unifies appearance. Once complete, consolidate any porous zones with a dilute consolidant, testing absorption on an inconspicuous area to avoid oversaturation. Finally, document every material and step, and place the statue in stable environmental conditions. If cracks reappear, stop work and reassess adhesive choice and structural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.